errors sila galing dun sa sa service line.
Benny Martinez. And it's still alive. Pinabawi. Wala pa rin para kay Donggala. Right pin attack for Aligayon. Ceballos will set it up. Ooh, what a dig by Villanueva. To the back row, Piojo. And what a rally we have here. Oh, Jerlord Talisayan, a little veteran move. And now he will be serving. Back set. Tebs Aligayon getting the check ball. From the opposite side again, Tebs Aligayon. He is just taking it.
Naging hype man si coach.
And you're liking the energy from FEU this entire season. In the meantime, DeFeo slowed down by the block. Transitioning to Mendoza. Las Cunha takes a back step. Martinez this time back to Lyric Mendoza.
Lyric Mendoza has been having a lot of contributions in this match. And he's just well activated by Martinez in this match today.
Las Cunha over the double block.
Blockers.
Saavedra adjustment. Aligayon from the back. Oh, Tebs Aligayon is heating up here in set number 2.
Again, a lot more out from you kasi yung momentum. As you know, volleyball, it is really a game of momentum.
And Piojo that time finding a way against the triple block. Martinez, Donggala. Las Cunha was blocked. Oh, no one there to get that ball. Points already in set number 2.
Look at that, Lyric Mendoza. Just on fire in this match today.
Villanueva will receive. Aligayon flying in from the back. The setup by Talisayan. And Espartero just finding a hole.
After they've committed quite a number of errors here on the service line against UE.
The set to Saavedra.
Mainly going to Aligayon.
A high set for Piojo. Oh, with the put down.
A point will be awarded to UE. They are just down by 1 point.
Regalo time for Sean Kamaymayan, and we're tied at 14. UE just keeping in step here with FEU. Martinez bumps it. Talisayan. And Kamaymayan couldn't get a grip on that one. Kasing tangkad ko na yan.
Parang abot niya yung left and right, hindi siya gagalaw.
Right now they're clinging to a 2-point lead. Oh, no one there to get the rebound despite the blocking.
Espartero and Talisayan.
Donggala. Now to Aligayon. Oh, there's that wall once again. Donggala. There's that wingspan. The set to Piojo.
And Piojo unable to capitalize on that Donggala delay. Hoping to extend set number 2. FEU naman. Hoping for a one-stop. And again, those timeouts are just, they did wonders for Coach Edison. Every time there was a threat of a